Thousands of tech employees laid off, companies blaming AI. But what if I told you AI is not the real reason? In the past few years, companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta have laid off tens of thousands of employees. Most people are saying AI is replacing jobs. But is that really true, or just a convenient excuse? Let's break the biggest myth. AI is taking jobs. Yes, AI tools like ChatGPT are powerful, but they are not replacing software engineers, product managers, or designers at scale. In fact, many companies are still hiring even after layoffs. So clearly, something doesn't add up. Here's what actually happened. Overhiring during COVID. When the world went digital, tech companies went on a hiring spree. They hired way more people than they needed as the economic slowdown. After the pandemic, growth slowed down. Less revenue means cost cutting. Pressure from investors. Companies want to look efficient. So layoffs became a quick way to boost profits and stock prices. Business restructuring. Teams get merged, projects shut down, and suddenly roles disappear. We need more money to spend on AI. Here's something no one talks about. AI is expensive. Companies are spending billions on data centers, chips, and research. To fund this AI race, they cut costs elsewhere. And unfortunately, that often means jobs. We're restructuring due to what AI can do in the future. This is subtle, but powerful optimistic statement. It's not that AI replaces jobs directly. It changes how work is structured. One person with AI can now do the work of 2 or 3, so companies redesign teams. And some roles simply don't fit anymore, so where does AI come in? AI is not replacing jobs. It's changing how work is done. A developer using AI becomes faster. A marketer using AI becomes more productive, which means companies may need fewer people for the same work. And that is the real shift. The truth is uncomfortable. Layoffs are not just about AI. They're about efficiency. They're about business decisions. And sometimes bad planning. So what should you do? Don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, adapt with it. Because the future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to people who know how to use AI. Subscribe for simple AI lessons, tools, and career tips. Because your future depends on it.